Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write Vue.js components from very basics. So far what I have done in my all this project which we have started in this Vue 3 series, I have taken the backup of all the assignment list code here in this page, in which we have write all these component logic, but this is not the professional way how to write Vue.js components. We have put all the things in one page, so we will see different ways how to write Vue.js components in today's video. So basically there are few ways in which we can write Vue.js components or register them. So one way is we can register them globally here, or the second way is we can write them in the parent Vue.js components. There can be another way, like this is basically a Vue.js component. We can say that, let's suppose we have app, let's suppose we have a button component. Okay, we can write in this way. It can be like assignment list. Okay, it can be accordion. Okay, it can be anything. We can write as many as possible. This is one way. The second way is we can write those Vue.js components inside local parent Vue component. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here, like we will write components, we will write components property here, okay, and we will call or register all Vue.js components here. Like I said few seconds ago, it can be assignment list. Okay, it is a component. Okay, it can be a component with the name of assignment list. Okay, in these parentheses all the logic will be written for this assignment list. We can have another Vue.js component, we can give it a name of app button. Okay, app button. We can have another one with the name of contact us. So guys, in this way we register and give the name of our Vue.js, and for all the logic of Vue.js components went inside these parentheses. Okay, so let's move one step. Let's suppose we have a component with the name of app button. Okay, and I want to show an alert message when this app button component is called. So what we will do, we will write the mounted logic inside those parentheses. Okay, so when the component is mounted, show me an alert. What does mounted means? When the component is initialized. Okay, hi there. Okay, okay guys, we have written the logic for this app button component, but we have not called it anywhere. So first of all we have to call it. What is the calling way? We will simply write app button. Okay, so this is the way in which we will call our component. So let's check the output in the browser. I have to initialize my Vue.js, sorry, my node server. Okay, so guys, this is the way in which we have called our Vue.js component, and we are going to show an alert message. So our Node.js server is initialized. Let's check the output in the browser. Yes, this is the alert which we have written. Okay, so it's showing. Let's move one step further. What if I want to show the markup or the divs or the HTML markup of this app button component? So how to write that logic, guys? We will write template property here. Okay, we use backticks for that. There are many other ways, but we will look into this way first. Suppose it has a div. Okay, a div inside a component. Okay, let's suppose our component have a button. Okay, let's give it a name, submit. Let's apply some Tailwind classes to it so the button looks pretty. Let's suppose we say pg background 100. Okay, when we hover over it, we say background should be 400 dark. Let's round it. It has some border. Okay, let's give it some padding in x-axis and in y-axis. So let's check the output in the browser now. Yes guys, this is the div coming from that component, and this is the submit button. You can see it's changing on hover. So guys, let me show you one more thing for debugging Vue.js components. We basically install a Vue.js DevTools extension from Chrome extensions library. When we install it, and in any project, when we have a Vue.js project, we can initialize by inspecting it. Okay, and this is the Vue.js dev tool. Okay, basically we use this for debugging our Vue.js components. This is our root component, and this is our app button component in which we are working right now. So let's move on one step further. Let me remove this div from here. Okay, what if I want to change the name of this submit instead to contact us? Can I do that here? I think no. Okay, to do this, to change the name of that button, what we will do, we can say slot it. Okay, whatever is coming here, it should be slotted here. Okay, now I can use this contact us. I can use it as many times as I want. Okay, for this time I want to give it Vimo submit. Let's check the output now. You can see it's contact us and this one is submit. So in this way we are slotting whatever name a user gave it, or whatever title comes here, it should be slotted in this way. So let's move further. What we can do with this app button component. Guys, in this way I have shown you all the code in which we write a very basic Vue.js component, but in real world we put all this logic in a separate file. Okay, let's do that. We will move our all this logic to a component file. Okay, let's suppose we have a JS, and inside that we have components. Okay, inside components we have what is the name of our components? It's app button. Okay, button.js. We will move all this logic from this area to that file. Okay, so let's copy all this, cut it. Let's cut it and move it here. Okay, so I will say that export default. Whatever is here in this page, just export it. Okay, this export default means, and this is the way in which we write Vue.js components. So this is the dedicated page. Now we will call that Vue.js component in this page. So we will import it. What was the name? App button. Okay, import app button from where? From JS components. App button. Sorry, app button dot js. Okay, so I have imported that app button dot js Vue.js component in this page. Guys, one thing I have to write here, this simply script. So if we want to import that Vue.js component, we have to give it type module. Okay, type module, so that this is the way. I have something here, components. So let's check our output in the browser now. I'm sure I have done something wrong. What's the mistake here? Uncaught syntax error, unexpected index 18. On line 18 I have something wrong. I have writing import module. I have settled this. Type module, import app button from, sorry, I have not right from where I'm importing it. Okay, so let's check the output now. I think this is not needed here. Okay, components, so I think we need it right here. Let's check the output first. Unexpected token at this 9 int 22. Okay, I think it should work now. import app button, but we have not writ written the name of app button component this way. Okay, we have to give the name of that component. Guys, I'm doing these all mistakes, so as a new learner can do these mistakes. So I'm doing all these mistakes so we can learn together. You will probably you will make these mistakes, so in this way we can learn and improve our learning process. So I'm doing all these mistakes by myself so that you can focus and see the errors and the messages so you can learn better. Okay, so let's move on now and check our output in the browser. Yes, it's working. Okay guys, so we have gotten our output. Now it says view warning, template compilation error, illegal dash in tags, bg green over this. It should be, there is mistake in this area. Okay, so what's the problem with that area? Let's check. Where was it? In the slot. The slot, I have done it in, close it in wrong way. Okay, so let's check now the output. It's perfectly working now. Okay, so what we have done, we have created a Vue.js component here in a separate page. We have called it by importing it, and we have given the name of that component, and it's perfectly working. So guys, in this way we write our Vue.js components. I think it's more than enough for this video. We will continue with a new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.